I love the fact that we're helping patients. We may not meet our patients, but they become very real to us.
We have a direct impact on that patient and their well-being.
Histocompatibility and immunogenetics is a specialist service, and the Welsh Transplantation and Immunogenetics Lab is the only one in Wales to support transplant services.
We provide specialist support for people who need organ transplantation or stem cell transplantation. Dealing with patient samples, we're testing them and providing those results to clinicians who then make decisions on how that patient will be treated.
In this lab, we extract DNA from people's blood samples, and then we conduct tests that let us hopefully match them with their potential donors.
We have people come in as medical laboratory assistants. We have people that come in as biomedical scientists, and we can support you to do further qualifications. So there is a recognised career pathway for healthcare science.
It's a really fun environment. Everyone is very warm, welcoming. There's a lot of walks of life, and it's really nice to be in that sort of environment.
The Welsh Blood Service is a really great place to work. We heavily invest in our staff.
It's a lovely atmosphere to work in. It's endless, really, the type of roles that are available.
I would say if you're thinking about going for a career in transplantation, to go for it. It's a really rewarding career.
It is a great place to work. You will be supported here. Come and join us.